guys, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I think the last video I filmed was my purse collection video back in November and so now we're in February, well at the end of February almost. And so yeah, I'm filming a Louis Vuitton unboxing of my birthday present. I got this bag as an early birthday present from my boyfriend. My birthday is a week away, so well actually it's like a little bit more than a week away, but just like a day short of it being a week away. And so you can see I have one of my cats in the background. She's my little co-star. I'm sorry if the background is a mess right now. Our place is a little bit messy, but yeah, let's just get into the video. And so I got it last night and it's just been like so great. So it starts with a little story. I think it's called client services, I think, because I wanted to see if the Louis Vuitton store in my state has, I want to see if the Louis Vuitton store in my state has the bag. And there's more than one Louis Vuitton store in my state, but there's just one in particular that's close to me. So I think it's called client services. And they were telling me that they didn't have the bag at that location, but I kind of figured that was a lie because like she didn't seem like too sure. So I was kind of like, okay, probably it's probably at the store, but you probably don't really know what you're doing really. So I had the business card of the last person that sold me my bag when I went to the Louis Vuitton store. And so the last Louis Vuitton bag that I got was the Louis Vuitton Alma BB, which I already done like videos on and stuff. So, and then I texted her and she was like, yes, we still have it in the store. Like they have like a few of them. Cause I know it's sold out at like online as a call for availability, but like my Louis Vuitton store like had the one I was looking for. So I was really happy, I was really grateful. And so she was actually leaving for the night, but they didn't close until like they had like 3 hours until they closed. And so I was like, can you put it on hold for me? Like we're gonna be right there. So me and my boyfriend went and he got me the bag. And so here is, it came in this humongous bag. So what it looks like, it has, so I got the holiday packaging. Well, the bag anyway. This is from the holidays. So it's like their holiday packaging, really nice. I'm probably gonna keep this shopping bag because it's their holiday shopping bag. And then the back part, ooh, it's like the exact same thing. It's just a regular box with the ribbon on it. Really pretty. And I'm pretty sure this box has the magnetic closure, I think. I think this is like the biggest box that I've ever gotten, because even for my Neverfull, the box wasn't even this big. Actually, no, my Neverfull box was bigger, I think. And so, yeah, it's a magnetic closure opening. When you open it, it's just in its dust bag. And it just comes with like a regular dust bag. I feel like with this type of bag, they should have like a drawstring dust bag for it. But that's just me. And so it just is Louis Vuitton. And then without further ado, here it is. Oh, it's backwards. This is my Neonoe in the noir color. This actually isn't a true unboxing because I used it today already, but I tried to put everything back like it was last night. And it has the straps. The straps could be elongated to make it crossbody. And so it's like completely perfect. And I'll give you like a little close up, like the hardware is good. I'm sorry if my nails look bad, I need to like get them done. The straps are good. I know there is like a whole situation about this bag when it just came out with like some of the straps not coming with like the stitching, but this has the stitching. It says Louis Vuitton Paris right there on the strap, as you guys could see. It only says it on on the top strap, but not the bottom one. And so the other Neonoes in the Epi come with, I think they come with a strap like this, and they come with another strap that you could use at like top handle. But this bag is just so gorgeous. I remember when I first saw it, it was like really different, really interesting to me. I never thought I would ever have a monogram bag. I was like, no, I'm not a monogram girl. I don't really care for the vachetta. I don't really care about the leather darkening. I prefer my things to look like more like new for like as long as possible. And so this black is just like completely great. The straps are straight. There's nothing wrong with the straps. The straps are fine. I know people don't like how people don't really like the alignment that they have in this bag, because sometimes the alignment could be off, but it didn't really bother me. It matched up pretty good for this one. I mean, this didn't really match up too well, but I don't really care. It doesn't really bother me. But yeah, just to show you guys, I know some people, that's like one of their biggest pet peeves about the bag, it's the aligning. And then on this side, it's kind of just more of the same. It's a little bit off, like for some of them right here. But like this side is a little bit better. And yeah, it's a little bit aligned. It's a little bit like weird right here, but it doesn't bother me because I feel like, you know, I obviously understand people's concerns. People are like concerned about, you know, making sure your bag is aligned. If you're gonna pay all that money, your bag should be like as perfect as like possible pretty much. And this bag just had another increase. So it had an increase maybe a week or two ago, and it like shocked me because I knew I wanted this bag for my birthday, and I was like, holy crap, like it went up in price. So this is probably one of my more pricier bags. I think this bag and my Alma BB are around the same price after tax pretty much, which is kind of insane. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It says Louis Vuitton Paris on the side. So this one wasn't made in Paris, it's probably made in the US. I had like a white scuff mark on this bag when I used it from earlier today, and like I couldn't get it off. And so I sent the text to the SA, the one that always helps me when I'm there, and she was like, just try to use like a damp cloth to wipe it off. If you can't, I'll switch it out for you. So that's great. It's always great to have like a salesperson who's always willing to like help you and switch out the bag for you if need be. If you're spending like a lot of money, you should probably have someone that could, you know, is willing to switch it out for you. I know like there's a lot of horror stories of people like not being able to get their bag switched out. I'll show you guys the inside of it. I will do a review and what's in my bag of this bag after I've used it more, but here's the inside of it. It has the microfiber lining, but the bag is still super light to carry. It does have this middle compartment. I use it just to drop my phone in there, and I usually leave it open so I can go in and out just to get my phone. It's not actually, it's sewn onto the sides, which is what makes this cinched in part, but it's not sewn in at the bottom. So things could actually go in and out of the bottom, which is what I've seen today while going and using it. And that doesn't bother me because I'm probably gonna get like a purse organizer. I'm not sure if you could see that, but you can see how like my hands are under it like that, just to give you like a little bit of like, just to show you like how it could like move. And this inside pocket is also microfiber lining as well, so that's very nice. And it's also the monogram on the outside part too. So I like how like it's a little divider. When I used it today, I'm definitely gonna get I've seen people with this bag that actually use two, what's it called? Gosh. Two purse organizers from Samorga, and I looked on their website today. They do sell it. They sell it like two of them together, so it's about $65, $67, something like that. Because so like you could put one on this side and then the other one on this side. I probably will do that because it's gonna help for the bottom of the bag not to sag, because I had like a water bottle in it, and I guess like the weight wasn't evenly like distributed throughout the bag, so the front part was starting to have like a weird like sag to it. But yeah, nothing's wrong with the straps. Everything's been pretty well with the bag. This was just my unboxing. Sorry for the rambling. This is what it is. I am gonna do a review and what's in my bag probably after I get my Samorga organizers, because those take a month to like get here. So probably sometime in April you'll probably see what's in my bag tag of this bag. And but I probably will be able to like let you guys know how the bag works with the Samorga organizer and how the bag works without the Samorga organizer too. So like you kind of to see like, is it like really worth it? But yeah, I love this bag. It has like that new bag smell. This bag wasn't one of the ones that was sitting out on display. It was one of the ones that they took from the back for me, which was really cool. I love it so much. And oh, also I forgot to show you guys how it looks as a shoulder bag. For reference, I'm like 5'5", 5'6", and I am like 155 pounds. So this is how it looks on me. Yeah, sorry about my outfit. I only wore this shirt for the video, so sorry about the rest of my outfit. But this is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. And so have a good one. Bye.